I cannot believe that I'm sitting here and I'm finally saying that I am relaunching my clothing brand, SVOSVA, and I'm going to be documenting the entire process here on YouTube and also on TikTok in short form content. So definitely follow my TikTok. I'm going to have it linked in the description and whatever the TikTok is called up here. This is not just a relaunch, it's almost a rebrand. I am taking what I've learned over the past couple of years running a business and implementing it into this rebrand relaunch. The plan is to re-energize this brand, to try and get back that passion that I had before. I've had quite a bit of change in my life. I am a parent now, so a lot of things have definitely changed, but I'm now in a position where I want to put all of my focus into relaunching this clothing brand and running it for a really long time. So I'm stripping it back. I'm stripping it all the way back. Before, I was completely obsessed with the whole concept of being a luxury brand. We were made in Italy. Our packaging was like these really expensive boxes. We had a really nice office. Like, there was so much that I put into the brand in order for it to come across as luxury. But now I'm stripping it all the way back, and we're going to be tapping into that mid-premium bracket, so to speak. We are going to be quality focused, of course, but we are going to be accessible, and we're pretty much working on everything. Everything's going to be new. So a new website, well, like a revamped website, new packaging, a new-ish brand voice, and I'm going to be sharing it all. So far we have actually ordered our brand new packaging. We also have like some brand new like thank you cards and things like that. So we really are in the crux of relaunching this brand. The launch date has changed. It was initially meant to be on the 1st of May, which is really soon. I don't know when this video is going to be posted, but I am in talks with my AI intern, and we are probably going to push it to after summer. I just don't want to put too much pressure on myself to, you know, get everything out, because obviously like I don't have as much free time as I used to have, because I'm a parent and I manage a household. So what's the plan ahead of the launch? My child is actually awake right now. I'm watching her on the monitor and I don't know how much time I have to film this video. So what is the plan ahead of the launch? So photo shoot. We already have a model that I've been talking to. I used model management to find the model, so I set up like a casting on there and I had lots of different models apply for the casting, and then I whittled it out and I found the model that we actually wanted to move forward with. Like I mentioned, we already have new packaging in the works. That is on its way. It's actually already been shipped. I purchased that on Alibaba.com. We have new like little garment tags. Those are being manufactured right now. I also got those from Alibaba.com. Website revamp. I actually started working on it the other day, but I am going to be filming like a whole video of me like revamping the website, probably over like a few days or weeks. But there's not much you can do when you haven't done the photo shoot and you haven't got the product. Kill it on TikTok. TikTok is big. I have a relatively decent TikTok following on my personal TikTok, so it's all about building the SVOSVA TikTok page and also the TikTok page that documents this journey. So basically I'm managing 3 TikToks. Can you imagine? Sometimes I'm even managing 4, because we have like another business which is like an events company, so that's like another TikTok that I help manage as well. But yeah, managing 3 TikToks is wild. Guys, if you still want help starting a clothing brand, my starter kit is still available. I will also have that linked in the description. But I do want to potentially launch on TikTok Shop. Again, I'm going to document everything the behind the scenes, because I feel like people don't really share like, you know, behind the scenes of launching on TikTok Shop. I've been again talking to my AI intern and we've been discussing, okay, what products would we put on TikTok Shop so that we're not diluting the mid-premium-esque of the brand. I also have a few bits of old stock like dresses that I was thinking of doing like a sample sale with, possibly focusing that primarily on email subscribers and also TikTok Shop potentially. I don't know, but these are all things that I need to probably like work on pretty soon, especially if we're aiming for that post-summer launch, so September. I've always launched in September, so I think I want to keep it in September, like a September launch. So yeah, we have 2 collections that we're looking to launch, Archive and Foundation. That's what they're currently called. Some of the t-shirts that I'm looking to drop are a little bit risky because, like I said, I am stripping it all the way back. So even with the designs, I'm stripping it all the way back. So it's kind of risky, but I think it's going to be worth it. And it's a thing of like trying to feed into like customer retention. That's why we are looking to launch those types of t-shirts. And I will also be relaunching some family favorites, because I realized that, okay, granted, they are old styles, but there's so many people in this world that haven't seen those styles. So it's always going to be new for someone. And that's a mindset that I am trying to have. I've already set up my password page, but one thing that I'm having a really big problem with, and I'd love to seek your advice on this, basically because I was dormant for so long, I've actually seemed to have lost my domain name, and I am struggling to get it back. I've sent emails out. I don't know really what to do at this point, how to get it back. I don't know whether I should just give it up and start with a whole new domain name, so maybe .co.uk or .co or .uk. But the problem is all of my packaging and stuff say SVOSVA.com. Don't know whether that's gonna be like a problem. I need to figure out how to get that domain name, or potentially have a completely new domain name. Well, it won't be completely new, we'll still be SVOSVA, it'll be like SVOSVA dot something else. So yeah, that is a big problem that I am currently facing, and we're going to be solving it together here on YouTube. Yeah, that is basically where we are at. We kind of have the stock. The t-shirts just need printed on, so I get them printed in the UK. We have moved from Italy, so all of my branding to do with Italy is obviously, I can't use it, gotta change all of that. And just because we've moved from Italy doesn't mean that the quality has gone down. I've still maintained the same quality, because I basically said to the manufacturer, make it like this. It just means that we have been able to reduce the cost of the garments that we're going to be selling them at. So basically, I haven't thought to increase my profits. No, I have thought to make these garments more accessible to you guys. SVOSVA, moving forward at the moment, we are focusing primarily on t-shirts and graphic t-shirts and that kind of stuff. But yeah, that's where we're at with the relaunch of my clothing brand SVOSVA. I'm so excited, and I hope you guys are going to join me on the journey. Please definitely, my child is up, like crawling position, so I need to run. So please definitely comment, like, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Follow me on TikTok, and yeah, let's get on this journey together.